In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate shipping cost with FedEx. Now, the first thing you have to do here on their official website, you want to click on the rate and ship in the middle of your screen over here, and then you will have to basically disclose from where to where you are sending. So I'm just going to click on from over here, and I'm going to type in Italy. And then, of course, you want to select Italy, or of course, you could be more precise if you want to. I'm just going to do Italy as a country, and then it's going to ask for the origin postcode as well. So I'm just going to type in a postcode from Italy. There we go. And then here it's going to say to, and here you have to type in the country where you are sending it to. So we're just going to do Hungary for this tutorial. Again, we're just going to choose the whole country. And then here you also have to type in the destination postal code. I'm going to do 1051. There we go. And then when you do that, you want to click on continue. Now after this, it's going to say, tell us more about your shipment. And here under packaging, you'll have to select your packaging. So you could either do the FedEx 10 kg box, the 25 kg box, envelope, pack, or tube. So it's up to you, of course, depending on whichever you're posting. I'm just gonna do 10 kg box over here, and then here it's gonna say how many packages. It's just one for me, and I'm going to put in, let's say it weighs 1 kilo. Okay, when you do here, you can of course do pounds or kilos, completely up to you. And I'm gonna click on ship date here. You can of course select the ship date. I'm just going to do Friday the 5th of December. Okay, and then you want to click on show rates, and it's going to show you, there we go, as you can see here, there's a few different options, and you can even click down to extend it and see how the estimated total is calculated. And that's pretty much how you can get a rough estimate, or essentially kind of the calculation of the shipping cost with FedEx. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.